Hello. So today what I would like to look at another piece of the programming here. It's TSW. This is from the it.cc website. NEXTION instruction set. You can always Google NEXTION instruction set, and it's usually the first find there. So today I would like to look at the TSW. It just says on here, enable or to disable the component touch function. So pretty much what it is, it's a touch switch. Well, I guess that's how they figured how they made it. So TSW, and then your component, and then comma your state. Your component is the component name or the component ID. The state of it, which is 0, disabled, or 1, it's enabled. They give an example here. TSW, the component name is B0, comma 0, which of course is the component B0 touch is invalid. The example 2, it's TS0, the component 0, comma 1, so of course the touch component would be valid or working. And they give you 2 more examples here. So let's look at one itself here. So I have an example here. I have 2 pages. This is my home page, and then I also have a page 1. And on the home page, I have, this is a dual state button. Okay. And on the dual state button, I have it as if the BT0, which is the dual state button here, value is equal to 1. We're going to turn off the switch here. And on the display, it's going to say off. So in other words, you try to touch the button itself. It's supposed to go to the next page, which is page 1. But if we turn it off, of course, it's not going to go to page 1. We're turning off the switch. And if the BT0 dot value is equal to 0, then the touching switch of the B0 will be a 1, comma 1. In other words, this will be turned back on. And I changed the name, it's to the text itself. It's going to show on here to page 1, like it originally has here. And it should allow us to go to page 1. And of this one, of course, it's just page 1. So let's look into that here. So this is my home page, and this is the dual state button here. So if I click on this one, it's going to turn it off. If I click on this one, it's going to allow us to go. So let's go here and let's put it as, so right now it's going to allow us to go to page 1. So let's click on that. See, page 1. It allowed us to go to page 1. Let me see, I need to change. I didn't put a return here. Reboot the simulator. Okay. So now we want to turn off this switch. So now it should not let us go to page 1. So every time I click it, it's not going to allow me to go to page 1. So that's pretty much what the TSW command does. And if I turn this one off, and then it says to page 1, it'll allow me to go to page 1 now. See? Page 1. So that's just a simple explanation of the TSW command there. And I hope you find this useful. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, you have not subscribed to my page yet, go ahead and subscribe. And I hope you find this useful, and then we'll see you again in another week. You have a good day.